Hi there, Skip here, and in this video, you've heard the saying, you are what you eat. But what's even more important is you are how you eat. You could be eating the right food, but if you're stressed, if you've got the wrong energy in the body, you can literally be poisoned the food that you're eating. So stay tuned and watch how you can literally get the most from the food that you're putting in your body. It's a secret that so many people don't know about. So watch this video and enjoy it. And please do like it, share it, comment below, but stay tuned. So you've heard the saying, you are what you eat. But what about this saying? It's how you eat that also makes the difference as well, because you could be in the wrong state of mind, you could be in the wrong energy field, or you might have this toxicity, this stress, this frustration, this anger in your body. And guess what? If you then go and eat in that moment, you know what you're going to do? You're going to literally poison the food that you're eating. Even if you're eating healthy, that negative energy charge is going to be put on the food, and then when your body breaks the food down, as your heart beats and those nutrients get into your blood, all of a sudden your heart is beating, and it's now beating that toxic energy around the body. So how do we avoid that happening? One simple thing. When we are running my events, whether it's Breakthrough Mastery Online, whether it's Breakthrough Mastery Live, whether it's Detox Your Life, whether it's Living Forever Young, whether it's where we're taking people to the Amazon, any of the live events, any of the trainings, any of the programs that I take people through, we have to understand one thing. If you give the body what it needs in the right way, oh my God, you are going to tap into the force of life in ways that most people don't even ever get to experience in their adult life. So what we need to do is understand the truth, and it's in this truth where you're going to find your power. Now, I've had the fortune of traveling all around the world, working with some of our planet's top people. And what I find is that by getting invited into different environments, different cultures, what I find is that the ones that are conscious, the ones that are really, really having this force of life breathing through them, and even when I go and study ancient civilizations that were so far advanced for their time, they all did this one thing, and this one thing can change the whole quality of your life. It will change the way that you receive food. It will change the way that your body uses that food. It will change everything, and it comes down to blessing what you put in the body. There's so much cool stuff, and when you understand the truth, in the center of your hands, you've got these healing centers right here. Everybody has it, whether you know it or not. When you put that over some food and you just get to that point where you say, right, I'm grateful for what I'm now about to eat, what you do is you calm your own nervous system. The energy, the stuff that's making your heart beat, the stuff that's making that sun shine right now, the stuff that's making that water move, the stuff that's making those trees grow, that force of life, you want that breathing through you in a way where it's a clean energy, it's a pure energy, it's not a toxic, destructive energy, it's this creative energy. So you want that creation coming out of you, and you're just blessing the food. And there's many, many different ways of blessing your food. Now, what I'd like to know is if you'd like me to actually record a video of blessing the food so that you can actually have me guide you through one of those processes. It could be you could bless a drink, you can bless food, you can do anything that you're about to put into your body. If you'd like me to do that, comment below. Let me know what value you got from today, but let me know that you would like me to do that video. And then what I'll do is I'll record a video of me actually doing the blessing, so that anytime that you're eating something, you can get yourself into the best state so that you can receive that food in the best ways possible. Because ultimately, you want to make sure that your body isn't going to break down. We want to make sure that you can break through everything. And food, the right type of food, is going to nourish your soul. And food should be a time where we get to come together as families. We get to come together as friends. We get to come together as humanity. And we want that same feeling in the body where we want the coming together of that life force energy breathing through you. But we want to make sure that you're eating properly, not eating for an emotional reason. And when you do this blessing, what happens is, if you're about to put some junk in the body, it can almost ward that off. It can stop that happening, because now you're about to bless it. It's sort of like you're going to be like, and you get into a state of balance, you're going to be like, you know what? I don't actually want to put that in my body. And you'll start to become more conscious with your food choices, and you'll start to make better choices for your life, because ultimately where you're at right now in life is because of the choices that you make. And when we can help you make better choices, your life is going to start to move in directions where you, your loved ones, all those people that you love and care about, you're all going to start to rise up together, because now you're connecting to more of the truth. And think about how most people eat. They're eating for convenience. They're just shoving stuff in. They're eating what's available. What we want to make sure you do is that you are designing, and that you are in control of what you're putting in the body. You've got a good designed diet plan. You know, right, I'm going to eat this thing, and these things are going to go in my body. I'm not going to put something in my body that's going to drain the body of energy, or I'm not going to put something in my body that is going to be toxic, or I'm not going to put something in my body that's going to create acid. Now, if you do that, you know the body's going to suffer. I do, however, believe in the 80-20 rule. There's a time to zag if you want to zag. There's a time to get merry if you want to get merry. But what I want to make sure you do is that you're not making choices that ultimately is going to break your body down, so that at some point your body's suffering, or your mind is suffering, or you suffer, and then your loved ones have to go through this emotional negative roller coaster ride because stupid choices were made. So I want to help you to make better choices. So if this has helped you in any single way, please do like it, please do share it, and comment below and let me know if you'd like me to do a video on actually doing a blessing for your food and drink. Anyway, I'm Skip. Live strong, live healthy, live long. Make sure you live now with the nutrients, oxygen and water. For now, I'm out of here.